Welcome to Unity Outdoors. I'm Gideon Evans here with Unity Outdoors, and we're going to talk about some salmon fishing up in the Manistee River, Tippy Dam area, and Chinook is what we're after. A few people caught coho while we were up there, but we're just after them kings. All right, so let's jump to a section of the video where we're going to the river. We just got there. Basically that morning we went to the river. So now as we're walking down, there's not too many people out there, which is not very typical. Expect a lot of people, especially at night times and on the weekends. But we got down there with our friend and fishing buddy Mike, and he's fished up there I'd say for years, and his dad lives right up there, so that's where we were staying at. But basically we just walked right down there, and as soon as we got there was a guy pulling a fish out the water, and so that was good news. As you can see in the video, there's salmon jumping left and right all around. It's kind of aggravating at times because you know they're out there, and when you're not getting bites for a few minutes or maybe an hour, you start wondering what's going wrong. And so as we were learning up there, you adjust your weights, and so we started out with just a few snap-on weights basically. So these will hold it to the bottom when the current's going fast. So we use those, and we were just using flies. We didn't use any eggs. We tried that a few years ago, and it worked, but we were actually more successful this trip than we were last one. And it was in the same time frame, about the second week of October. He booked it. He gone. Alright, so that morning we were out there for a few hours, and we didn't really land any fish. We ended up being given some fish by somebody who didn't want theirs, and so we brought those back and filleted them up, got them ready for eating, and we just threw them in a cooler in the freezer. So they just hung out there for the weekend, and then we actually put them on the smoker, started smoking them with some brown sugar, and that turned out really good. We also ended up cooking them with eggs, but that was the next morning. And eggs and salmon, it might not be the best, but when you're out camping, it sure is good.